So the Microconic system is a two-piece system. There's two components. One is the cartridge, which replaces your standard collet in your machine. In this case, this replaces TF25 style collet, so we have a F25 M10 cartridge for this. And the second component is the collet. And this is how it works. You put this into the machine, and you put the machine in the clamp position. Then we take the collet, it threads nicely into the cartridge. The next step is you get a pin gauge, that's the diameter that you're planning on clamping on, and you put that into the collet. And then we're going to use this tool. This is what we call the micrograd wrench. All right? This is how we actually adjust the tension of the collet. All right? We don't use the machine. There's no guessing games with hydraulics or how something feels. So again, the machine is in the clamp position. Tighten the collet down with the micrograd wrench till it bottoms out. Back it off a little bit. Pull our pin gauge out, and then go back to where we were. So now the collet is just touching the diameter that you're going to be clamping on. This is what we call zero clamping force. Now on the micrograd wrench, each one of these marks represents 1/1000ths in diameter. So maybe you're clamping on some thin wall or doing some plastic, maybe you only bring it down thousandths in diameter. So that collet is now come down a thou below the diameter that you're chucking on. But maybe you're doing some broaching or maybe some heavy milling, so maybe you bring it down 4 or 5 thousandths. When you get that set, you tighten the collet in and you're ready to go.